Let us start CBSE Mathematics Class 10th, Chapter 7, Exercise 7.4, Optional. You see, question number 1, determine the ratio in which the line 2x plus y minus 4 divides the line segment joining the points A, that is 2, minus 2, and B, 3, 7. You see, A and B are 2 points are given, and one line, that is 2x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0. This line is given. This line divides or intersect the line segment joining the AB. Then AB is intersected by the line 2x plus y minus 4. So the intersecting point, let the P is the intersecting point. So we have to determine the ratio in which the point P or the point of intersection will divide or intersect the AB segment. You see, first of all, the line passing through A and B. The equation for line passing through A, that is 2, minus 2, and B, 3, 7. So that is equal to y minus y1, that is y minus 2 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. You see, 7 minus 2 divided by 3 minus 2 into x minus x1. So it will become y plus 2, that will be equal to, this will be equal to 9 by 1 and x minus 2. So solve this, you will get the equation 9x minus y minus 20 equal to 0, and one equation of one line is given, that is 2x plus y minus 4. So now putting these two equations nearby, solve the value of x, means intersecting point. Here you see, by cross multiplication method I have solved it, and it is, see, 1 into minus 20, 1 in x is equal to 1 minus 1 into minus 20 minus 1 into minus 4, whole divided by 2 into minus 1 minus 9 into 1. So x will be equal to minus 20 minus 4 upon minus 2 minus 9. That will be equal to minus 24 divided by minus 11. So minus and minus will be cancelled. So we will get the abscissa or the x ordinate of the intersecting point, that is 24 by 11. Now to find out the value of y, what we do, that we just cover this y portion, and LU means 9 into minus 4. 9 into minus 4 minus 2 into minus 20, whole upon 2 into minus 1 minus 9 into 1. Solve it, you will get minus 36 plus 40 whole upon minus 2 into minus 2 minus 9. That will be equal to minus 4 by 11. So the point of intersection will be 24 by 11 and minus 4 by 11. Say the point of intersection be P. Now 24 by 11, we have to determine, let this point of intersection divides in the ratio of k is to 1. So 24 by 11 will be equal to 3k. You see, 3k into into 1 into 2. Here you see, 3k plus 1 into 2 whole divided by k plus 1. That will be equal to 3k plus 2 upon k plus 1. Solve it, you will get 24k plus 24 equal to 33k plus 22. Now 33k minus 24k will be equal to 24 minus 22, that is 9k is equal to 2 and k will be equal to 2 by 9. So the ratio will be 2:9. This will be the answer of question number 1. Now proceed to the question number 2. There are the 3 points x, y, 1, 2, 7, 0, and these we have to determine the relation between x and y if these points are collinear. If these points are collinear, it means that the area of the triangle formed by these 3 vertices will be equal to 0. So let us proceed. 1 by 2, x into 2, you see 2 twice x, 1 into 0, that is 1 into 0 I have written, 7 into y, 7 into y. Now this bracket will be closed, minus, inside the bracket write down 1 into y, y into 1 here, 2 into 7, 2 into 7, 0 into x, 0 into x, the bracket will be closed. Now solve it, and that will be equal to, you see, the 2x plus 7y minus 14 equal to 0. Further solve it, you will get 2x plus 6y minus 14 is equal to 0. Again divided by 2 throughout, you will get x plus 3y minus 7 equal to 0, and this will be the relation between x and y provided these points are collinear. Now there is a circle whose center is unknown, but it is passing through the point P, Q, R, and the coordinate of the point P and Q and R are given, that is 6, minus 6, 3, minus 7, and R, the coordinate of R is 3, 3. So the distance from the center, that is O, here I have written, let the coordinate of the point O at the center is xy. So x minus 6 whole square plus y minus 6, that is plus 6 हो जाएगा, plus 6 whole square will be equal to x minus 3 plus y minus plus 7, you see y plus 7 whole square. Just open the bracket, you will get x square plus 36 minus 12x plus y square plus 36 plus 12y, and on the right hand side you will get x square plus 9 minus 6x plus y square plus 49 plus 14y. Solve it, you will get minus 6x minus 2y plus 14 equal to 0. Further solve it, you will get 3x plus y minus 7 equal to 0. Put this equation number 1. Now proceed further. That is x minus 3 whole square plus y plus 7 whole square equal to x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. Now you see here y square plus 49 plus 14y is equal to y square plus 9 minus 6y, because x minus 3 whole square and x minus 3 whole square, one is on the left hand side, other is on the right hand side, these two will be cancelled. So we are left with the only y part, that is 20y is equal to 9 minus 49, that is equal to y will be equal to minus 40 divided by 20, that will be equal to minus 2. Now put the value of y minus 2 in equation number 1. we get 3x minus 2 minus 7 equal to 0. Therefore 3x will be equal to 9. So the x is equal to 3. Therefore the center of the circle is 3 comma minus 2, and this will be the answer. Now proceed to the question number 4. The two opposite vertices of the square are 1, 2 and 3, 2. Find the coordinate of the other two vertices. There is a square ABCD, and the coordinate of the point A, let minus 1, 2 is given, and the opposite vertices, that is C, that is 3 and 2. These coordinates, the coordinate of these point A and C are given. We have to determine the coordinate of B and D. As you know that the diagonal bisect each other, and moreover the diagonal of the squares are equal and they bisect each other. So x plus x1, this is the midpoint. O will be the midpoint for AC and BD. So x1 plus x2 divided by 2 is equal to 3 plus minus 1, 3 minus 1 divided by 2. So solve it, you will get x1 plus x2 is equal to 2. Let this equation be 1. Similarly, for y ordinate, y1 plus y2 by 2 should be equal to 2 plus 2 divided by 2. So that will be equal to y1 plus y2 is equal to 4. This will be the second equation. So solve it. Here you will get y2 is equal to 4 minus y1, and in this you will get x2 is equal to 2 minus x1. Now as you know that BD square is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, and it should be equal to AC square because the diagonals are equal. So the 3 plus 1 whole square plus 2 minus 2 whole square, that will be equal to 4 square. Hence the AC is equal to 4. The side into root 2 is equal to diagonal, and that is equal to 4. Therefore the side will be equal to 4 divided by root 2, and it will be equal to 2 root 2. As we know that the sides of the squares are equal, let us proceed that x1 plus 1 whole square plus y1 minus 2 whole square is equal to x1 minus 3 whole square plus y1 minus 2 whole square. You see the y1 minus 2 and y1 minus 2 both are the equals, and they are on the one is on the left hand side and the other is on the right hand side, and these two will be cancelled. Now open this bracket, x1 plus 1 whole square, you will get x1 whole square plus 1 plus twice x1. On the right hand side you will get x1 square plus 9 plus 6x1. x1 square and x1 square will be cancelled. We are left with 8x1 is equal to 8. That implies that x1 is equal to 1. Therefore, from 1, you see, from 1, x2 is equal to, you see, here we know that x2 is equal to twice minus 2 minus x1. So here, once we know the value of x1, we can determine the value of x2, that is 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. So x2 is equal to 1 and x1 is equal to 1. Now AB square, that is 1 plus 1 whole square plus y1 minus 2 whole square is equal to 2 root 2, means the AB is equal to 2 root 2. It is already given side of the square. Side of the square is 2 root 2. So the 2 root 2 whole square. So y1 minus 2 whole square is equal to 8 minus 4, that is equal to 4. So y1 minus y2 will be equal to plus minus 2. So y1 is equal to 4. This implies that y2 is equal to 0. y1 is equal to 0. This implies that y2 is equal to 4. So therefore x1 y1 will correspond to 0.10 and x2 y2 correspond to 1,4. As you know that the equation of AC, the line passing through two given points, that is y2 minus y minus y2, y minus 2 is equal to 2 minus 2 upon 3 plus 1 in bracket x plus 1. You see the 2 minus 2, that is 0. So y minus 2 is equal to 0. This means that y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2, that is the line parallel to x-axis. Means AC is a line which is passing and it is parallel to x-axis, because its equation is y is equal to 2. So I have drawn a line which is passing from minus 1 and 2 and 3 and 2. This line is parallel to the x-axis. Now, with the help of these coordinates, we can plot the point of B and as well as D. You see the D is equal to 1 and 4 and point B lies on the x-axis, that is 1, 0. This is a sketch of that squares and it is to the scale which I have drawn it with the help of the scale, and the figure will be like this. Now proceed to the question number 5th. This is the question number 5. There is a rectangular park. In between there is a grass plot of triangular shape. The point with respect to A as a origin, it is given that it is 3, 2, 6, 5, 4, 6. You see, I have written here 4, 6, 3, 2, 6, 5, 4, 6. So the area of the triangle PQR, when the origin is A, so area of the triangle PQR will be equal to 1 by 2, 8 plus 15 plus 36. You see, 4 2 ja 8, 3 5 ja 15, 6 6 ja 36. Here I have written in the first bracket minus in the second bracket. You have to proceed 6 into 3, that is 6 into 3 18, 2 into 6, that is 12, 5 into 4, that is 20. So bracket closed, and again the square bracket is there, 1 by 2, and again solve it, 59 minus 50, that is equal to 9 by 2. So that will be the area of the triangle will be 9 by 2 or 4.5 square unit. Now with the help of origin A, the point of vertices are given, that is 4, 6, 3, 2, 6, 5. But when we consider the C as a origin, at that time the coordinate of the point P will be 12, 2. You see, total distance is 16, so 16 minus 4, that you will get 12. Here total distance is 8, so 8 minus 6, that is equal to 2. So the coordinate of the point P is equal to 12, 2. Similarly here the coordinate of the point Q with respect to C as a origin, you see 16 minus 3, that is 13. 8 minus 2, that is equal to 6. Now the coordinate of the point R with respect to C origin, 16 minus 6 is equal to 10. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. So these are the coordinates of the point PQR with origin C. Taking C as a origin, these are the coordinates. Now let us proceed to find the area of triangle PQR with the help of these vertices. That means that the vertices given with respect to origin C. Here I have written here area of triangle PQR when the origin is C. You see 12, 2, 13, 6, 10, 3, again 12, 2. So 1 by 2, 12 6 are 72, 13 3 are 39, 10 2 are 20. Bracket closed, minus in the second bracket 2 into 13, that is 26, 6 into 10, that is 60, 3 into 12, that is 36. Bracket closed. Solve it, you will get 1 upon 2 in bracket, you will get 131 minus 122, that will be equal to 9 by 2. Again it will be 4.5 square units. So the area of PQR is the same in both the cases. Now proceed to the question number 6, which states that the vertices of triangle ABC are A, that is 4 6, B 1 5 and C 7 2. A line is drawn to intersect the sides AB and AC at D and E. D and E such that AD upon AB is equal to AE upon AC, that is equal to 1 upon 4. Calculate the area of the triangle ADE and compares it with the area of triangle ABC. You see here the question number 6, AD upon AB, the triangle is given here, the vertices, that is the coordinate of the point A is 4 6, B is 1 5 and this is 7 and 2. So AD upon AB is equal to AE upon AC, that is equal to 1 upon 4. The coordinate of the point D, that is dx, will be equal to 3 into 4 plus 1 into 1 upon 3 plus 1. Let us proceed. AD upon AB is equal to AE upon AC, that is equal to 1 upon 4. It is given already. The coordinate of the point D, that will be the dx. It can be solved here, you see, with the help of, you see, 1:3. The ratio, the D divides the AB in the ratio of 1:3. Therefore, the dx will be equal to 3 into 4 plus 1 into 1, means 1 into 1 upon 3 plus 1, that will be equal to 13 by 4. Now dy means the ordinate with respect to D will be equal to 3 into 6. 3 into 6 plus 1 into 5, that will be equal to 23 by 4. Now these points is the coordinate of the point D is 13 by 4 comma 23 by 4. The coordinate of the point E. Similarly, you can work out 3 into 4 plus 1 into 7 divided by 3 plus 1, and it will be equal to 19 by 4. For EY, that is 3 into 6 plus 1 into 2 divided by 3 plus 1, that will be equal to 20 by 4, and it will be equal to 5. So the 19 by 4 comma 5 will be the coordinate of the point E. The area of the triangle ABC can be worked out with the help of this formula, that is 4, 6, 1, 5, 7, 2, again 4, 6. So 1 by 2, 4 into 5, that is 20, 1 into 2, that is 2, 7 into 6, that is 42, bracket closed, minus, in the second bracket, 6 into 1, write down 6, 5 into 7, that is 35, 2 into 4, that is 8, bracket closed. Now solve it again further. You will get 1 by 2, 64 minus 49. Solve it, you will get 15 by 2 and it will be 7.5 square unit. Now the area of ADE, that is 4, 6, 13 by 4, 23 by 4, 19 by 4, 5 and 4, 6. You see, it will be equal to 1 by 2, 4 into 23 by 4 plus 13 by 4 into 5 plus 19 by 4 into 6 in the first bracket minus 6 into 13 by 4, this is 6 into 13 by 4 plus 23 by 4 into 19 by 4 plus 5 into 4. So 1 by 2, 23 plus 65 by 4 plus 57 by 2, bracket closed, minus 39 by 2 plus 437 by 16 plus 20, bracket closed. So further solve it, you will get 1 by 2, 271 upon 4 minus 1069 upon 16. Solve it, you will get 1 by 2, 1084 minus 1069 upon 16. Further solve it, you will get 1 by 2, 15 by 16, that will be equal to 50 by 32 square unit. So the area of the triangle ADE upon area of the triangle ABC, that will be equal to 15 by 32 whole upon 15 by 2. Solve it, you will get 1 upon 16. This will be the ratio of the triangle of areas of ADE with respect to ABC, that is 1:16. So the AD square upon AB square is equal to 1 square upon 4 square, that will be equal to 1 by 16. Again, in this method also, it is established that the ratio is 1:16. Now the question number 7, D is the midpoint of the triangle ABC. You see the dx means the coordinate of the point D that can be determined with the help of the coordinate of B and C, because D is the midpoint. So 6 plus 1 divided by 2, that is 7 by 2. 5 plus 4 divided by 2, that is 9 by 2. So here I have written here 7 by 2 and 9 by 2. So the coordinate of D is 7 by 2 and 9 by 2. This will be the first answer. Now AP by PD is equal to 2:1. So find out the coordinate of the point P with the help of the coordinate of point A and D. You see, 1 into 4 plus 2 into 7 by 2 whole divided by 2 plus 1, that is 11 by 3. Similarly for Py also 1 into 2 plus 2 into 9 by 2. Again solve it, you will get 11 by 3. So the coordinate of the point P is 11 by 3 and 11 by 3. Now in third part, the coordinate of the point E, that is 4 plus 1 by 2 and 4 plus 2 by 2, means that will be 5 by 2 and 3. Coordinate of F will be equal to CF, that is a median, and BE also a median. So the coordinate of F will be equal to 6 plus 4 divided by 2, 5 plus 2 divided by 2, f is equal to the coordinate f 5 minus 5 comma 7 by 2. BQ by QE that is given, BQ by QE that is given 2 is to 1, and CR by RF is also given, that is 2 by 1. So the coordinate of the point Q can also be determined with the help of B and E. That will be equal to 2 into 5 by 2 plus 1 into 6 divided by 2 plus 1, that is 11 by 3. So the Q is equal to 11 by 3 and 11 by 3 also. You see here QY, that is 2 into 3 plus 1 into 5 whole upon 2 plus 1, that will be equal to 6 plus 5 by 3, that is 11 by 3. So the coordinate of Q is also 11 by 3 and Q by 11 by 3. Now proceed the coordinate of the point R, that is Rx is equal to 2 into 5 plus 1 into 1 upon 2 plus 1, that is 11 by 3. Ry, that is 2 into 7 by 2 plus 1 into 4 divided by 2 into 2 plus 1, that is 11 by 3. Again we are getting the coordinate of the point R, that is 11 by 3 and 11 by 3. So if you see that the coordinate of the point P, Q, R all are coinciding to each other's. You see here the point P, Q, R coincide each other's. That is the centroid which divides the median in the ratio of 2 is to 1. Hence all the medians of the triangles are concurrent at the point of centroid. The fifth part, the coordinate of the point D, that is, you see the coordinate of A and B and C are given, that is x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 respectively. The coordinate of the point D with the help of the C, B and C, we can work out, that is x2 plus x3 by 2 and y2 plus y3 by 2. Now there is a point P on the median AD which divides the median in the ratio of 2 is to 1. So you see the P divides AD median in the ratio of 2 is to 1. The coordinate of the point P will be equal to 2 in bracket x2 plus x3 divided by 2 plus 1 into x1. This 2 and 2 will be cancelled. We are left with x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3. See 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3. And for ordinate also, you see the 2, y2 plus y3 whole divided by 2. The 2 and 2 will be cancelled. 1 plus y1 on the numerator part, and in the denominator there is 2 plus 1. So y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. So the coordinate of the centroid of the point P is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, and the ordinate point will be, that is y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 2. Now proceed to the question number 8. There is a rectangle, that is ABCD, and the vertices of ABCD is given, that is A is -1, -1, B is -1, 4, C is 5 and 4, D is 5 minus 1. Now the point P, that is the midpoint of AB, that can be determined, and it will be equal to -1, 3 by 2. And the Q is the midpoint of B and C, that will be equal to, the coordinate of it will be 2 and 4. Similarly, the R is the midpoint of CD. With the help of the coordinate of C and D, we can find out the coordinate of R also, that will be equal to 5 and 3 by 2. Now S, that is the midpoint of DA, and the coordinate of D and A is given. With the help of these coordinates, we can determine the coordinate of S, that is 2 minus 1. So the slope, find out the slope of PS. You see the PS, the slope of PS is equal to y2 minus y1 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. That is minus 1 upon minus 1 minus 3 by 2 whole upon 2 plus 1. That will be equal to minus 2 minus 5 by 2 upon 3. That will be equal to again minus 5 by 6. And the slope of RQ, that is y2 minus y1, again 3 by 2 minus 4 upon 5 minus 2. You see the slope is always determined with the help of formula, that is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So it will be equal to minus 5 by 2 upon 3, that is equal to minus 5 by 6. So these two, because the slope are equal, so this establishes that PS and QR are parallel lines. Similarly, the slope of PQ and slope of SR has been determined, that is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, again 4 minus 3 by 2 upon 2 minus minus 1, that is equal to 5 by 2 upon 3, it will be equal to 5 by 6. Now the slope of SR, again y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, you will get 3 by 2 minus minus 1 upon 5 minus 2, that will be equal to 5 by 2 upon 3. Solve it, you will get to 5 by 6. So both slope are same. Again this established that PQ means opposite side, PQ and SR are parallel. Now the length, adjacent length PQ, you see PQ will be equal to the root of 2 minus minus 1 whole square plus 4 minus 3 by 2 whole square. That will be equal to, in bracket, 9 plus 25 by 4. Again it will be equal to root 61 by 2. Now the PS, again you see root of 2 minus minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 minus 3 by 2 whole square. Solve it, you will get root of 9 plus 25 by 4, again the root 61 upon 2. So we are getting the two adjacent sides of this parallelogram equal. You see here we see that the opposite sides are parallel and two adjacent sides are equal. Therefore, the PQRS is a rhombus because its all sides are equal and parallel to each other. Therefore, this is a rhombus.